Hey guys, welcome to Techies Guru. Today I'll be learning how to transfer files over Wi-Fi only on Terabox app. And now let's dive right in. Now to transfer files over Wi-Fi only on Terabox, first open up your Terabox app on your phone. And after opening a Terabox app, guys, on this interface at the top left corner of the screen, you can see there's a tree land icon available for us. Tap on the tree land icon at the top left corner of the screen, and this kind of panel will appear where you can see the settings option available for us just above the webmaster. At the bottom side of this panel over here, tap on settings, and after tapping on settings, guys, you'll land on this interface where you can see the third option that says transfer files only over Wi-Fi on Terabox, and tap on the toggle icon at the right side of that option and you'll start to transfer files only over Wi-Fi from your Terabox app. Either you download it or upload it. And with that being said, guys, this is how to transfer files only over Wi-Fi on Terabox. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding a topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.